Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily bleep swear words in CapCut PC. So if you guys need to clean up your audio for maybe YouTube or professional content, bleeping out swear words is one of the most essential editing skills, and the CapCut PC desktop make it incredibly easy. Now what you need to do is just add your videos to the timeline like this and go to the part where the swear words happen. For example, here you can just split the video to become like this. So let's say this part has the swear words, and now what you need to do is just head into audio here and go to the sound effects, search for beep in a keyword, hit on enter, and now you can just add the beep sound on the top of this videos right here. You can just drag it, for example, here, and you can preview it by click on the play button. For example, like this. Okay, if needed, you can also trim the audio like this. So that's how you can easily bleep swear words in a video using CapCut PC. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.